When you drop that ice cream and you a kid,
It's Tom.
that's the most hurtful feeling, to drop your ice cream. And don't let some friends be around or somebody be around. I ain't got no ice cream. You ready to fight? I don't care.
Well, you ready to fight?
You ready to fight?
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's up, PictureUsRolling fam? It's your boy Jay,
And Nifa.
It's Dara.
and we here with a blizzard summer. It's a blizzard, small blizzard,
Small
in the middle,
blizzard in the
middle of the summer. So we
That's
got
big.
some Dairy Queen, y'all. Thumbnail, y'all. Oh, July. Okay. But y'all, we here with a.
I'm gonna bless it because it's really dripping,
Yeah.
y'all. God bless it. Let it be nourished to our body. In Jesus' name.
Amen. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, you know. We waiting for a guy. It is free. I have frosted animal cookies. This is the new signature.
I got cotton candy.
Well, this thing's sweet.
I got Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman.
Collision.
Collision.
It's
something.
good.
Hey, y'all, this good.
It's so hot. It's melting like right away. We had to hurry up and film because
We had to get under the tree and everything.
this real good. Sarah, how yours taste?
Good.
A school closing snow day for your mouth. Okay, I can see that. Hashtag happy tastes good.
Mine don't say that. Mine say selfie worthy. Selfie. I have a
What's
DQ.
your say, Tom?
It says selfie worth it.
Worthy.
Safety. I said safety. Selfie.
Selfie worth it.
It's good.
It's good.
Sure.
It's a Wonder Woman, y'all. So.
Did I try some of y'all's?
It's good.
Switch with Star.
Why mine bigger than y'all's?
It's the same size.
Oh. Let me try mommy's.
Stop something. Hold on one second.
Sorry, you got ice cream all on your face. Whole thing.
Hers good.
What?
Ooh. That little cotton candy.
That's good.
No, cotton candy. Hey, cotton candy good though. Animal cookie good. Yeah,
One more bite.
it's good. Got it.
Them workers look like they being sneaky. See them sitting way over there behind the building.
Yeah.
Smoke break.
Smoke break. Oh, I ain't going back in there, man. Man, that man been there for 3 hours. Y'all know how it is sat in the car, y'all.
Hey, what y'all doing back here?
This one is more of a, like a chocolate flavor.
They got different colors and all in here, y'all. I don't know y'all can see that or not, but they got different colors. So,
Somebody else just sat down. You're like, don't tell the boss.
trust me, the boss see the camera.
It's so satisfying.
The blizzard in the summer.
But I usually get a vanilla milkshake with strawberry, pineapple, and pecan.
They're so good.
If y'all never had that, try it. You'll thank me later.
Oh man, this is a good rewarding trip. I mean, treat.
for YouTubers.
It's for everybody, for YouTubers.
Look at your face. Y'all look at Star's face.
Feels so good. Eat this. Oh man, just being a kid, just sit under the tree, eat your ice cream, finish playing football or whatever y'all been doing, playing hide and go seek chase or whatever. That's how it was in my days. Playing chase, throwing water ball. I said water ball. On water balloons at each other. And not just that, we used to wet the porch, put some soap and slip and slide. But you fall, that's your
On your
butt.
porch.
Yeah, you know, I'm from the projects, man. We put that detergent on the porch and just slip, slide like that. Yeah.
I've never done that one.
That.
Let me tell you what I did do. What we did do. We didn't have a slip and slide, but we made our own. We took the garbage bag and busted open and laid them out on each other. Put the detergent down the whole thing and spray it.
That's like the moment they made the
slip and slide.
They made the slip slide thing. You run, you slide, you hit the deck and go for a dive.
Wow, you remember?
It's the alligator mouth thing.
You remember the song?
Yeah, I remember that.
Sing? No.
Cause then we're gonna get a fine from YouTube.
Wow.
That's good.
Make you go back to being a kid when you sit down eating ice cream like this.
Make you
This make me wanna smack my mom.
Yeah,
Saying that.
it's to the point like you make you want to sit on the high bench and just swing your legs. Like, yeah, I guess ice cream.
I'll be getting my tea soon, y'all. Woo woo. By the end of the month, I should have my tea. Thank you, Jesus.
This bread is so good.
I'd be so embarrassed about my tea.
Wow.
Why? Because I don't want to talk in front of nobody looking like this.
What are you doing? You're out here playing games on your phone. I just spilled something on the seat.
Yes, it was Chris.
It's so good.
Yes, yeah.
You ain't got no ice cream.
Stop. That's why you don't got no teeth.
You know you want to laugh harder.
That's a combat. Not just a combat. That's something we'll say though. That's your genes.
You're supposed to be saying, you ain't got no ice cream.
And see, look, she went about. You say something like that. Okay. I don't got no ice cream. Come around the corner, slap your whole ice cream out your head. Bye.
Ooh, boy, that's some hurt. That's some
That's
hurt
a fight.
feeling, baby.
You gonna fight after you finish fight? Y'all playing football together, or y'all going to the store getting a frozen cover or something?
You dropped that ice cream.
You gonna be mad as a horse.
Wait, hold on. Have you ever seen a horse get mad?
Yeah, they start bucking. They start bucking. Excuse me, check out the rodeo. Look, they calling there on their smoke break. Oh man, hey, oh snap, he see us. I know y'all probably heard a little speakerphone. But yeah.
No, I was gonna say something about when you drop that ice cream and you a kid.
It's Tom.
That's the most hurtful feeling, to drop your ice cream. And don't let some friends be around or somebody be around. I ain't got no ice cream. You ready to fight? I don't care.
Boy, you ready to fight?
You ready to fight?
No, move your hand.
You be so hurt when you drop that ice cream.
And then you take somebody's ice cream.
No, you don't take no my ice cream. And see, look, where I was at, 'cause I ain't gonna lie, where I was at, it had the bad and the good. You feel me? Even though it was other people who was like get money the wrong way. I don't want to say all that, but get money the wrong way. They see that, man. Hey, man, Jake, man, y'all, man. Matter of fact, go ahead, go buy your ice cream, man. Go here you $10, man, and go buy your ice cream or whatever you want. You feel me? And you be like, yeah, nah, I got $10. Now, you're for homeboy. Next thing you know, y'all become friends.
Yes,
you buy him something out the store, and you be back doing. That's how it was back then. Nowadays, I don't know. It's different. It's totally different. You feel me?
It's a whole nother generation.
It's a whole nother generation. You feel what I'm saying? It was love. You had the hardship back then because it was not tolerance. Like with kids, you ain't play with no kids and all that. But nowadays, it's like, oh man, like, hey,
no heart.
Oh my God, what? You get a whooping real quick on sight. You get whooped by the next door neighbor, the teacher, everybody. Like, everybody who know your mom or your daddy and they know what time that, they whoop you on sight. Then you go home, you gonna get another whooping or be punished. You feel me? Nowadays, these kids, it's just crazy. But what I noticed too, though, a lot of kids ride bikes now. Instead of being in the house all day playing games, they go outside, ride their bikes now, play a little basketball or whatever. But I ain't see no kids playing box ball for y'all throwback people. Play Foursquare, box ball, Foursquare, hot scotch. You don't see people playing that no more. Like they don't know about that. You feel me? You want to teach them, they be like, man, I don't want that. That's thing from the 80s. You have so much fun playing kickball. I don't see kids playing kickball no more. Like be in the street, make your own bases with the can, smash the can down. There's first base, second base, third base.
Man, your t-shirt, your shirt will be a doggone base.
Hey, look at this, y'all. I'm still strapped in.
So,
but yeah,
I got an ice cream story. When we was little, I'll say maybe a little younger than Star, maybe a little younger.
4, 6.
Anyway, my mom and dad used to go to Dairy Queen's, y'all, right? On Sunday nights. And sometimes we'll be in the back seat, sleep from coming from church, and we'll wake up. They up there eating ice cream from Dairy Queen's. I used to be so mad.
Man, I wanted some ice
cream.
Want to take the cup and eat it. Your mom and daddy told you up you to take that ice cream.
And that's how I learned about the vanilla ice cream with the strawberry and pineapple and pecan. I learned that from them. And you know, Dairy Queens, they blend it all up together. You talk about good.
That thing so good. When she gave me you want to eat something? I wanted to eat all your ice cream.
Right, but so
that was good.
Growing up, that's what my mom and daddy used to get. And boy, they used to tear that ice cream up, and we'd be in the back seat. I want some ice cream. And then they'll give it to us. Maybe we'd get a scoop out of that, and that's about it. And sometimes they used to buy us the cone because you know they got the pretty little ice cream.
The cones be like $1, $2, you know, like $1.50. So.
Yeah. But
don't spill it in this car.
I remember that. We ain't hardly get it that much. But you know, back then times was a little harder.
Yeah.
Tell
So
me more stories.
Getting ice cream was a treat.
Tell me more stories.
Well, that's the only ice cream story
I got.
Tell us about
we just told you.
That girl said, tell us about your past.
We just told you how we was playing as a kid and stuff. If you was listening, you just said it. But make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, be notified. We're waiting for a guide. It is free, and it is mosquito season. So
it is hot. Summer is finally here, y'all. Finally.
No, today's the 6th.
Because it seemed like it been cold here in Evansville.
For 7.
Hold up.
Ain't she
for a very long time.
Just wait.
Let me say something.
You gonna get a chance. Just go.
And finally, it's here, and I'm not complaining. I actually love it being hot. Because I like to go in the house and cool off with air conditioning, so I don't complain. I want to sweat. Go start.
Summer haven't even started. It's on the 13th.
But still, it's still hot at summer.
So yeah. Period.
But it's still hot at summer.
I'm finished with my ice cream.
Yeah. But yeah,
That was worth it. So
it was worth
I
it.
would have got like a medium or a large, but I was like, that'd have been a lot. So
And nobody will finish it.
No, we might
we would have finished it, but it's just kind of like that's not what we wanted.
So, small blizzard in summer. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell to be notified. We waiting for it, guys. It is free. And we'll see y'all in the next video.
Bye.
Bye bye. Dairy Queen out.
Girl, you is